Hello viewers, warm welcome in this YouTube channel. This is question from NEET 2025. A model for quantized motion of an electron in a uniform magnetic field B state that the flux passing through the orbit of the electron is nh over E. So here flux is given to us first nh over E, and you know that here electron is moving in this magnetic field on a circular path. Therefore phi equal to VA. V magnetic field is the area of the orbit, and area of the orbit is pi r square. Therefore nh upon E. So from here V equal to nh upon E into pi r square. Okay, now question is saying n is an integer and h the Planck constant and E is the magnitude of the electron's charge. According to the model of the magnetic moment of an electron in its or lowest energy state will be. So here magnetic moment is asked in this question. So you know that magnetic moment mu equal to I into A. I into A. So first we want to find out I, and area is pi r square. I into pi r square. So what is I here? Since it is revolving in a orbit of radius r, so time period equal to 2 pi r upon V, and here Lorentz force is also work. So QVV equal to mv square upon r. So EVV equal to mv square upon r. From here VV EV equal to mv upon r. Therefore r equal to mv upon EV. Okay, and I equal to E charge of electron upon time, E upon T. I equal to E upon T. So first we put the value of R in this to get the time. T equal to 2 pi upon V into R. R is mv upon EV. Okay, VV cancel, 2 pi m upon EV. This is time. Therefore I equal to E upon 2 pi m upon EV, and this is E square V upon 2 pi m. Okay, so magnetic moment mu equal to I into A. I is E square V upon 2 pi m and A is pi r square. So pi cancel. Here we put the value of P also, E square upon 2m, and V is nh upon E pi square into r square. E pi square r square cancel, E divided by 1, and we got mu equal to E nh upon 2 pi m. And question is asking the according to model the magnetic moment of electron in its lowest energy level. So for lowest energy level n equal to 1, n should be 1. Therefore mu equal to EH upon 2 pi m. EH upon 2 pi m is the correct answer of this question, which is found in option B. So option B is correct. I hope you got it. Please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.